Here we come to the elevators at the Welcome Center parking garage at University of Houston, Texas. These are ThyssenKrupp. Unfortunately, only one elevator car in the entire set is working. Five. Get an amazing view of the Hilton Hotel right in front of us. One. Only one elevator car works in the entire set. I was here a couple days ago and only 2 out of 3 elevators are working. Or were working, actually. I mean, I wish we could hear the motor without the fan. These doors are obnoxious. See a view to the campus over there on one. This is a beautiful day outside, as you can see here. All right, if no one comes on, I'm gonna see if we're gonna try to get a view facing that way. Door closer, push the button, I love that. All right, here we go. Wow, I love the views of the trees. Ah, what a lovely view of the campus on this beautiful clear blue sky. You coming down?
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, well, you have a good day, sir. You're welcome. All right, this time we're gonna do a 4K view. Oh, I didn't push the button hard enough. There we go. All right, we'll go for one more ride view in the numbers this time, and then a cabbie going down. These buttons are hard to press. What floor would you like?
5.
Have an awesome afternoon.
You too.
All the lights on the analog indicator are working, which is good. All right, here is finally a cab view. Sorry I took so much rides on this because I just wanted to get as much view as I could in much of a detail, especially on a clear blue sky like this. These are your fixtures. ThyssenKrupp vandal resistant fixtures with your impulse contact bases. And there's your ADA foam. All right, there it goes. That door slammed. You see, only one out of the 3 elevator cars are working. Like I said, I came here a couple days ago and both this and that elevator car were working, but for some reason that elevator car and both of these were both down. I don't know what happened, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. There it goes, and that's it.